They're just coming into the faith. They're new brothers and sisters in Christ. They're babes. They have no clue what's in the Bible. But unfortunately, some are sitting in high places in leadership positions and they don't know either. Don't get me on my soapbox here. We all need to be prepared, especially if we're going to lead. James, the 3rd chapter, in the 1st verse, it says, desire not to be many masters, for you will have a stricter condemnation. You're held responsible for everything that you've done. However, from the parking lot to the pulpit, we are responsible for how we treat people when they come in. We want them to feel invited. Should they be uncomfortable? Sure, if they're living in sin, they need to be uncomfortable with that. But there's a way to say what we need to say, and we're not high and mighty above them, lest we forget that we too were born in sin and shapen in iniquity, and we had to ask for forgiveness as well.